Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're going to jump right into it. This is the paper that we're going to be using for that sweatsuit that you guys saw at the beginning of my video. You can get this at Walmart. So the first thing that we're going to be doing, you will see on the next screen. Alright y'all, so we are going to try to print our image. We are going to go to the Avery site. That will be our first step, and I believe it's averytemplates.com. No, it's avery.com/templates. So that's what we are going to do. My computer is a little slow. Let's give it a minute, and when we get to the website, I'll be right back. Okay, once you get there, we're going to enter in our product number. Your product number will be somewhere on your package. So it's $32.79. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, let me put my number back on. And then we're just going to click on that. And then you're going to go to start designing. It wants me to enter in my email address, so I'm going ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, once you get finished entering in your email address and your password, you're gonna get all these little templates here, but we are going to go with a clear one. I'm trying to think which one I'm trying to do. Alright y'all, I'm going to go ahead and click this image right here. I'm going to select this design. I would like for, yes, this would be better. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and select my image. I'm gonna add image. Alright, once your files come up, we are going to go ahead and click the image that you want. It's going to load up. And I'm just gonna spread that out a bit. I want it to be big, but I want it to stay within the lines because I don't want nothing cut off at all. Move this over just a little bit. You just want to play around with it because you don't want anything to get cut out. Let me see. That should be good. And then we're gonna copy and paste this image, but we are going to make this image smaller than the other one. Way smaller, and you want to make sure you have space in between it so that I'm going to pull this over here because you can use whatever is left for another project. Let me see if I can move that up some. Yeah, I can move that up some. And you just want to play with your image some. Alright, I think that's good. So we are going to get our PDF to print. I'm going to save that. Save it to our account. And hit OK. Open up our PDF. And this is how it's going to print out. I'm liking how that looks. So we are going to go ahead and print that. And you're gonna print that with the paper that I showed you guys. To me, that's the best paper for iron-ons. I tried another one from Walmart and y'all, it was terrible. I had to take it back. It didn't do what I needed it to do. So it's gonna go ahead and print out, and when it does, I'll show you guys that image. Alright, y'all, so the next step we are going to do, we're going to go ahead and cut our image out so that we can iron them on. So that's what I'm going to do now, and when we get done, we'll be ready to iron these bad boys on. Alright, y'all, so with our image, we are going to take the back off. It should be really, really easy to do. Let me start. Place our image right where we want it. Get it straight as it can be. Right here. That should be fine. And this is the middle, so I'm just go up and make sure it's touching the middle. My sweatshirt, which it is. Now these come with another paper that you need to use. I don't know if it's wax paper or not, but you're just gonna put that over it. And you're gonna get your iron. You wanna make sure there's no water in it. There's water in here, so I'll be right back. Remember, guys, make sure your iron has no water in it because it does not need to be on steam at all. Now we're going to go ahead and iron this on, and we're going to also do it to our pants as well. I don't want to go in slow motion, but I will tell y'all what I will be doing. You want to press hard, going back and forth across here. Make sure you get all the corners, and make sure you just get everywhere so that it'll be down. And once it's done, then you'll kind of lift it up, and it will still be on your shirt. And you can reuse it if you want to. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to do our pants. So let's go ahead and get that over with.